Discovering the giants of the sea, the world's largest fish. Welcome to the majestic world of the ocean, where giants beneath the waves capture our imagination and curiosity. Today, we dive into the story of the largest fish in the world, a gentle giant that glides through the sea. Meet the whale shark, an incredible creature that can grow up to 60 feet in length, making it a true ocean titan. Despite its colossal size, this leviathan feeds mainly on plankton, swimming with its mouth open to feast on these tiny organisms. The whale shark's skin is a marvel, adorned with a unique pattern of spots and stripes, as individual as a fingerprint. These gentle giants are not just wonders to behold, they play a crucial role in the health and balance of marine ecosystems. As we marvel at the magnificence of the whale shark, let's commit to protecting these gentle giants and their ocean home.